Today we're making my mom's spinach dip recipe. So a quick story, my hubby was kind enough to swing by the grocery store on the way home from work last night and bought these beautiful green onions. Somehow they started to freeze in my fridge. Is that a thing? I guess so. I ran them under warm water and it looks like only the tips were icky looking. Everything else seems fine. Another day longer and they might have been beyond saving. Which is kind of weird because can't you freeze green onions? Oh well, let's just get rid of the ends real quick. Ta-da! Good as new. You can't even tell. I mean, we know, but nobody else is gonna know. So we're just gonna dice up both bunches of these green onions and throw it into our big bowl. Wash and dry one bunch of parsley. Take off as many stems as you have the patience for. I remember this used to be my job as a teen growing up. Before I forget, you want to buy the flat leaf parsley. Most grocery stores carry two kinds of parsley, the Italian flat leaf kind and the garnish kind that tastes a bit bitter and looks, well, like garnish. I remember one year I bought the garnish by accident and halfway through chopping it up, I told myself this doesn't look right. So I texted my mom asking her, yo mama, is this right? And my phone exploded with some ha-has and finally followed in with a nope, that's not right. So when you're shopping for parsley, make sure you get the flat leaf kind or my mama's gonna giggle at you. Toss these in with the green onions. Next, we're gonna open up, drain, and finally chop 3 cans of watered chestnuts. Now for the spinach. This recipe calls for 4 boxes of frozen spinach. Let it thaw, preferably on a cookie sheet, so that if it does leak, it doesn't go all over the place. Open up each box and put your spinach in a strainer or some kind of cheesecloth and wring it out at the sink. I had to do this in 2 batches because this is the only strainer I have and I don't have any cheesecloth. It worked out fine. Chop up 2 little cloves of garlic and add it to the bowl. To the bowl, we're going to add in 2 cups of sour cream, 2 cups of mayo, and 1 cup of vegenaise or vegenaise. I can't remember how you pronounce it. You can find it at your local health food store or near the organic section. They do make several kinds. When I buy it, I get the grapeseed oil one. But today I don't have any on hand, which is fine. Just add either 1 more cup of mayo or do halvesies with half mayo, half sour cream. Lastly, add in 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper. Give everything a good mix and spoon it into a big, beautiful, hollowed out bread bowl, which I don't have because it's the holiday season and my local grocery store was all out for some reason. At least that's what my hubby said when he was at the store. He texted me if I wanted something else. I asked him if they had any baguettes. He said, is that an Italian loaf? Because they have some of those. And I said, no, it's not the same thing. A baguette looks like a pool noodle. He said, plenty of those. So here we are, a baguette. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video.